What's up, folks? Heine's Morning Update, January 25th. I apologize, it was out the last 2 days. Interesting to watch kind of patterns here. Consolidation, drop, consolidation, pop. Then we had another rip up. We've had consolidation. Now we're consolidating here, but we look to be opening below that yesterday's low, 4,005. Big number to watch downside here is we're looking at that 85, 87 area. And then 39.71, your yearly point of control is 39.69. So that 69.70 area is going to be something I would watch to be defended if we lose the 87. And then you have you have that low at 80 as well. But those two levels I'm going to be watching. 55 is your 50-day. And then you have your 40-45. So we're kind of looking at this. Well, the over-under is basically 36 to 40. But we have a 39.70 to 40.70 has been an old established range. We're kind of moving that, and it really is kind of developing into a 39.40, 40.40. This 40-40 range that number has been huge. So below 36, I'm bearish. Above 40, I'm bullish, relatively cautiously. We get above that in 56, then we start to, head up. So here's 55 would be the next level up on that. But here's another, here's another 43, 40. So that 40 range is going to be huge. You do have a high at 91 here. And then we have singles all the way up to 41.80 up here. So we could clean that up. I'm trying to stay agnostic. I am a bear, but I don't know if the upside hurt on the bears is over yet. I could see this continuing to go up at least to that 41.80, if not to 42.5. So we'll see. But that's that 39.70 I would look for support. And then 39.40, 44 level. So then you get back down to the 20, and then your last week's low is 39.01. So anyway, cautiously bearish if we open up down here. So we'll see how that works. Hourly, your pivot's 30. R1's at 55. I love it. R2's at 72. I love it because that's at 40.70, 39.70 level, and then R3 is at 98. 13.88, and then your S3 is at 71. So you have 71 there, 200 days at 71, and your yearly POC is at 69. So again, I think that's going to be a monster level. We've come up, and I think there was some people talking about this being a cup and handle, and that we're going to squeeze up. I've also heard the 4-hour chart was an upside down head and shoulders. I don't think anybody knows what the hell is going on, and they're just all making up stories at this juncture. Here's the trend line everybody and their mother has. We did pop above it. We did close above it. And now we're coming back down. So we'll see. Again, everyone's watching this. Joey talked about this yesterday. Is the 50 crossing the 200. That would be a big bull sign. Or maybe it's a false bull sign. It ever gets everybody off sides. I don't know. But right now we are back below the trend line. I don't see a death day today. Here's your weekly. So I have this trend line. This would put us up, 41.50 area. Your 200 day on that on the weekly is 36.83, and as you can see, I use that for kind of a macro low where we've pierced it but held it. So that's kind of what I'm watching. Again, I haven't had a real good read on this market. It's been tough for me, so I've been watching a lot. When I don't see it, I don't trade it. Here you go. Here's SPX. There's your 200-day at 39.63, which is also the S3 for that pivot on SPX as well. Those all line up. So that's kind of what I'm looking at. You have a cash gap still left up here at 4,100, 4,110. I don't see that today. Your 50-day is at 39.38. So again, we're going to open up back below this if everything holds right now. Euro, here's the daily, right? So this thing just won't fucking die. It's holding. So, that next step would be 139 or 109.4. So you've got 95, and we've gone straight up. Massive dollar shorts right now. I think everyone's going to be brewed to be off sides. I've been waiting for that, but I can't get too bearish on this until this starts to turn. Once this starts to turn, then I can see the bearish. I'd like to see a low in the next few months on SPX, and then that slow grind back up. But everything I want, I do not get. So we will see. Today, stay safe. No economic news. We're kind of bouncing off the lows. This is your 3-minute. Canada has a expected 0.25% rate hike today to bring them to 4.5%. That decision's at 10 a.m. Eastern. I don't know if that's going to affect the market, but other than that, there is zero news. So trade, stay safe. Relval is a bit high. It's at 113. So there's some volume on this drop here, but maybe we consolidate here and pop up today. Again, I don't know right now. We'll have to wait to see the cash open and everything else, how that goes. Anyway, stay safe, and I'll be in the room all day.